In this video, I will show you how to add audio in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on canva.com. Now I've got a short video. As you can see, there's currently no audio, it's just a video. So if you want to actually add audio to this, it's really easy to do. What you need to do is come over to the left hand side, and what you can do is click onto elements. And from here, if you scroll down, you've got an audio section just down here. So you can click on see all, and you can see all the different types of audio that you can add. So say for example, we wanted to add this audio here. What we're going to do is just click and drag this onto our timeline underneath the video. As you can see, we've now added audio. So if I go ahead and play the video, it's now going to play the audio as well. So that's one way you can do it. Now you can also add your own audio files, and to do that you want to come over to the toolbar on the left hand side, click onto uploads, and what you can do is click the purple upload files button to upload audio. If you look in this section, you've got images, videos and audio. So what you're going to want to do is click onto audio. As you can see, there's a couple of audio files that I've downloaded, and again, if you want to add this audio to Canva, all you need to do is drag and drop this onto the timeline underneath the video. As you can see, we've now added our audio that we've uploaded, and if I play this, this is again going to play the video with the audio. So that is how to go ahead and add audio in Canva. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.